Now we are on a chapter number 6, which is refactoring common logic. Whoever calls our attack function, we want to make sure the user actually owns the zombie they are attacking with. It would be security concern if you could attack with someone else's zombie. Can you think of how we would add to check to see if the person calling this function is the owner of the zombie ID they are passing in? Get it some thought and see if you can come up with the answer on your own. Take a moment, refer to some of our previous lessons code for ideas. Sir, below, don't continue until you are going at some thought. Okay, we have done this check multiple times now in previous lessons. In change name, change DNA, and feed and multiply, we use the following logic. Require as a sender is equal to zombie owner and zombie ID. This is the same logic we'll need to attack function. Since we are using the same logic multiple times, let's move this into its own modifier to clean up our code and avoid repeating ourselves. So we are back to zombie feeding.sql. Here it is. Since the first place we used that logic, let's refactor it with it into its own modifier. Okay, so let's create it. Modifier name is owner of. It will take one ID, one argument, which is uint so underscore zombie ID. Require body. The body should require message dot sender is equal to zombie to owner underscore zombie ID. The argument. Okay. And continue with the function you refer to. As if you don't remember the syntax, here it is. Change the function definition of it such that it uses the modifier function owner of. Okay, let's change the function. Here it is, owner of, and remove this line. By using a modifier, you can remove the line, this line. We don't require this condition anymore because we are using the modifier here. So here it is. Let's check the answer. Okay, there's some error. Let's see. What is this? Okay, so we haven't passed the parameter. There it is. We have passed it now. Let's try again. Yes, it's correct. So we have completed chapter number 6. Now let's move on to chapter number 7.